Hey guys, I got this Harmon pellet stove here. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it's doing, and then I'm going to change out the pressure sensor. Getting two blinks right there. So I got the stove all pulled out. The piece that I'm going to change out is right here. Alright, I ordered this one off of Amazon. There's the new one on the left and the old one on the right. Alright, so the blue one came out of that one right there that says no or on right there. So that's where the blue one came out of there. Red was on top. So for this one, we're going to hook the blue one up to where it says no right there. Okay, I'm just going to tighten these up here. And I went ahead and hooked the hose up to the bottom of that too.